I sell women clothing, accessories, cosmetics, weaves. I love fashion. I love clothes. So I wanted something that I can also wear and advertise. So someone would see something on me and say, but I also want that. I decided to start banking with TymeBank because it just seems so easy to open an account, and also the cash handling fees. Because in this business, I handle a lot of cash. And I think TymeBank, till to date, is the cheapest when it comes to cash deposit fees. I started my business about 4 or 5 years ago. It was basically just to supplement my salary because I felt like I needed to buy a house. So I wanted to save more. I was saving, but I wasn't saving enough. So I wanted to reach that goal sooner. I advertise my business on social media. I take the pictures, I post on my WhatsApp, and people will just order. I received an email about TymeBank business accounts, and they explained that if your business is not registered, then you can open an account with TymeBank. And because my business is not registered, I was like, perfect. Because I've never had the opportunity to open a business account because I need to go through all the process of actually registering the business. Then I went to print my card at a Pick n Pay, and what was nice is that the business card actually have the business name printed on the card. They have the highest interest for the type of savings that they're offering. In other banks, you get like 2.5% for any flexible savings, so TymeBank is still up to 6%. For my clients in Cape Town, I do a free delivery, even though it doesn't seem viable now with the petrol prices, because word of mouth is actually the best marketing tool. If you provide an excellent service, people are more likely to recommend your business. Always remember that client is king, so you need to treat your clients right. You need to offer them the best service you can.
TYME was founded on the belief that the people of South Africa have amazing potential, and what they needed was the bank to believe in them and to work with them to unleash their potential. South Africa has a very sophisticated banking sector, but the way many South Africans experience the banking system is not very positive. Most of us experience banking as expensive, complicated, and intimidating. We believe that that can be changed, that the experience of being a banking customer and engaging as an economic agent in the economy can be an empowering one. And that's really that belief in human potential and that passion about giving people power in their own lives. That was the driving force for starting the business. Banking should not only be for wealthy people. Banking should be for everyone. It should be experience that makes us feel in control of our own lives.
TymeBank is independently verified as the most affordable bank account in the country. It's also been independently verified as the savings account that offers the highest interest rates in the country. On top of that, we also believe we've got the easiest and most accessible bank account opening process the world over, not only in South Africa. The fact that there's no barrier to entry, massively important for South Africans. I think that customers are becoming a lot more value sensitive and a lot less price sensitive. So if they see value in something, they will engage. So I think we've got lots of comfort that we offer customers real value.
My name is Penel and I'm 31 years old and I'm an ICT engineer and I work for one of the leading healthcare providers in Southern Africa. So that means if you're having your IT issues, I'm your guy. So you give me a call and then I assist you over the phone, or I can go to you and assist you remotely. On a daily basis, I get a lot of work. We get about over 500 calls. So it's just always on the phone. There's no time for yourself during the day. Convenience for me is always very important. I went to Pick n Pay to do shopping, and I saw there was this small kiosk, looked like an ATM. You can open an account in less than 5 minutes. I was like, okay, let me check this out, and they don't need any paperwork. I had to put in my ID number, they had to scan my fingerprint. They also asked to confirm my personal details, and then with less than 5 minutes I was done, and I got my card as well with my name on it.
Nobody wakes up in the morning saying, I want to go to a bank branch. I want to go through that bulletproof glass and go and sit in a queue. So what we do is we embed the experience of banking into the customer's life. We actually run a disruptive hybrid model. And what that model means is that people can do all their banking on the phone, from opening an account to making payments, to saving money, to getting a loan, to buying insurance. But they can also do those things in the physical world inside the retail store where they shop every day.
People often refer to us as a digital bank, but we've got about 700 young ambassadors across the country placed inside Pick n Pay and Boxer stores. They're essentially a human interface between our customers and the bank. And the fact that that interaction exists gives customers a lot more comfort to engage with us as well. On top of that, these young ambassadors is they're all previously unemployed youth, and we've localized that ambassador placement. So 95% of these ambassadors come from the communities where they are working.
I like being an ambassador because I meet new people each and every day. You need a certain personality because you are dealing with different people. You must be very engaging to people, because if you're going to have a negative personality, then you won't make it. You must be positive each and every day.
My name is Bianca Durant. I'm a hairstylist, and my salon's name is Beyond the Chair. I started my business in 2021, just after lockdown. It takes a lot of perseverance to be a business owner. We have good months, we have bad months. My motivation to keep going through challenging times is my clients. It's literally knowing that I'm going to see them every single day. I absolutely love my job. You get extremely excited, you get super motivated. This is the best decision I've ever made. I decided to use TymeBank because they really offered really good rates on their payment systems. So each and every transaction that goes through is affordable for me as a business owner. With TymeBank, you can definitely achieve your money goals. You have on your private bank and your business bank 10 goal saves that you can fill with money, and you accumulate interest on that goal save, and you have the option to do an immediate payout, or you can wait 30 days and you can actually earn more interest doing it that way. Being a business owner, you sometimes have unexpected expenses, and if there's an emergency, you can take the money from your goal save, transfer it directly to your account. You do this on your app. You don't have to go into a bank to ask for a payout or anything like that.
As a bank, we've experienced growth never seen in the country before. We're well on our way to over 5 million customers already. It's something I'm extremely proud of. So the fact that South Africans have responded in the way that they have is humbling, but it's also extremely motivating.
TymeBank have a good and strong partnership with Pick n Pay and Boxer, and we're looking forward to being their partner in the fashion retail arena. TFG Money offer a range of financial services and value-added services products through our TFG Money division. We were looking at extending our range of offering to our customer base. We wanted to partner with someone that we had aligned visions and values with. The clear choice in the market was TymeBank. During the course of 2022, we're going to be rolling out 600 kiosks across our store base. Customers will be able to walk up, engage with a kiosk, put in all their details and open a fully functional bank account in under 5 minutes with their own printed TFG TymeBank debit card. So this is all about driving affordable banking and driving financial inclusion. And why we see that as important is that's a stepping stone onto the financial ladder. That'll allow customers to not only manage their finances in a cost-effective manner, but also to be able to get their foot on the ladder in terms of a credit record. And being able to build a good, clean credit record is very important for customers who want to do things like buying a car, buying a house, things that ordinary South Africans can't do without the use of credit.
TymeBank is a special place to work. We started the business with very specific ambitions, and that was to democratize financial services, to make banking accessible to all South Africans in a way that we believe it should have always been. I was a little boy growing up on the dusty streets of the Cape Flats, and often you see the impact of non-access to anything, not only finances, but to playgrounds, to sports fields, and the impact that has on young people's lives. To know what the work we're doing potentially has the ability to impact not only the current generation, but future generations as well. Personally, there's nothing more rewarding for me.
It is important for all of us that as many people as possible get included in the financial system, in the economic system. Because the more people get included, the more we as a country get empowered. The whole world is in a process of rapid transformation. And a country like South Africa cannot afford not to be part of that change. And the job of a bank like TymeBank is to drive that transformation, to constantly think, how can we do things better? I'm really happy coming to work. I think the way to be happy is to have meaning, to have purpose, and to be challenged every day. And we are so lucky to be in this situation where we get to serve South Africans and hopefully in some meaningful way improve their lives.